Hi, welcome to Sunrise Languages. Thank you for practicing your English with us. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Well, it's time to practice some shadowing. Read with me. It's Sunday morning. The sky is gray and the rain is falling. Sophia wakes up late and listens to the sound of the rain. She feels calm and cozy. She stays in bed for a few minutes. Her cat, Milo, sleeps next to her. He makes a soft sound and moves his tail. Sophia smiles and says, "Good morning, Milo." She gets up and puts on her warm slippers. The floor is cold. She goes to the kitchen and makes a cup of tea. The smell of tea fills the room. Outside, people walk with umbrellas. Cars move slowly on the wet street. Sophia looks out the window and takes a sip. She likes the quiet sound of the rain. After breakfast, she opens her laptop. She checks her emails and reads some messages. Her friend Laura writes, "Let's meet later." Sophia laughs and types, "Not today, it's raining too much." She decides to clean her living room. She folds the blanket, waters her plants, and lights a candle. The house smells fresh and peaceful. Soft music plays in the background. In the afternoon, Sophia watches a movie. It's a romantic comedy, her favorite kind. She eats popcorn and laughs alone. Milo jumps on her lap and sleeps again. When the rain stops, the sky turns light pink. Sophia opens the window. The air is cool and clean. She takes a deep breath and smiles. The street is still wet. Children come outside and play with puddles. One of them falls and laughs. Sophia laughs too. As the day ends, she makes a small dinner. She eats soup and bread. She lights another candle and turns off the big light. The room feels warm again. Before bed, Sophia writes in her notebook. She writes, "Today was quiet but beautiful." She looks at the rain on the window again. She whispers, "Good night." Then she turns off the lamp and goes to sleep. The sound of the rain returns, and everything feels calm again. Thank you for reading with me. Keep practicing every day with Sunrise Languages. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more English shadowing lessons. See you in the next video. Goodbye.